Here's our aircon, and now you can see all the ice inside when we open, because the ice was coming in our face. So I thought, why not clean the grill? So this is the best aircon. The brand is Orient, and once you open it, and you can see there is a snowfall. 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 So here's all snow all over. I never seen this in the summer days here on 38 to 40 centigrade hot weather, and our aircon get snow like a deep freezer. I don't know why this thing happened, but you can see the water is here, and this is wow, all snow. So this is the best aircon in the world. I will highly recommend. The brand is Orient, and I make it stop for a while. Okay, hope you like the video. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe for snowfall in summer. See you. Bye bye.